So I'm discuss topic called Facebook Live procedure. So this is one of the URL. Write down facebook.com/live/create. Here the option call is already recording video. We can show as a live. Previous I can show one step that is called Facebook page. You can create the live. I can show one more step is called how to create a Facebook live. You can show the pre-recording videos. This is one more step is there. Facebook.com/live/create. Write down the steps. Create live stream. The option call is create live stream. After that, they showing this screen. One is called camera with the live screen. Second will be connect here. Your connect for the profile or timeline or something else. Select by here. Please note it. Design the screen here. Here. Yes. What is that? Time nothing but your profile. Here groups. Here events. Here will be your Facebook page. Please design the screen. Now I am selecting for this option here. Previous I am to show by page. Now I am going to go to the group here. In this group, I can search for SEO, or maybe I can search for the digital marketing. So yeah, this is my group, digital marketing, training tutorial, and this one, jobs. Now I can show this option is called, I can make one video promote here. That is called, I'm select the video format here. Document, zoom. Now just I play for recorded video here. Just anyone. Just I play for Bing one. How to create the Bing business listing. Select here. So before that, just go to here. Go to Facebook. Just open your page. Is going live or not? Now click this option. This group is mine. So this one. Yeah, already one option is there, live. See this. Yes or no? Live is there. But I'm using for facebook.com/live/create. Now click this one. Okay. Done. Check the position. I can add in my company name. Rakesh Solutions. Now here, add the tags. Here adding for Bing mapping. Others we can go with the simple one. Remove this here, the video game format. So done. I'm writing for title and check-in place. Now copy the stream key. Go to the OBS Studio. Click for settings. Go to stream. Paste the stream key here. Click for apply. Click for OK. Now here. First create the one screen. Now click the screen. Screen 4. Done. After go to the source. Click for place. Select by the media source. Create the new. Click for the option. Browse. Select the video here. Click for OK. Video will be playing here. This is your video screen here. See here, this is the original screen. Here. After that, click for start stream. Sometimes the error will be occurred. No problem. Just click OK. Just continue it. Now, stream will be started here. Now click to Chrome. Now click this option here. They will take time for the live streaming. Now is switching video here. Video, your desktop mute will be important. Desktop voice is mute, or else your voice will be visible by the users. Now click for go live. Live will be started here. Now we'll check. Just come this page. Your live will be started here. Just first accept the previous person. Anybody is absent here. Now just refresh. Previous I'm creating for timeline and page. Now I'm creating for groups. They accept by the four option. Groups, page, profile and our event page also. Your event is going on live. You can show by live also. Now this. What's showing? Rakesh SEO live. Why? Group is showing the person name, not for the group name. Now click this one. Click for here. This one. Is it clear? This is clear. So I'm unmuting here. Now, this is the option. So using for OB Studio. Suppose if you have moved this option, they can't listen my voice. So here, click on this one. Where this is the option we can show by your live streaming purpose. So when you click the end the live video, the video will be closed. Now click the end live. If you maybe publish this video on your group, maybe click for delete. Two options. When you click the done, the video posted by your group. If you click the video was deleted. You can view the two options. That is called live streaming on Facebook profile, page, and groups and the events using with the Facebook Live Creator. The connection will be using by OBS Studio. The option is very important. Setting and screen creation, source file selecting.